You think gold is the ultimate store of value? Guess again, pal. Cathie Wood from ARK Invest, a big shot in the investment world, is out here saying Bitcoin ain't just digital gold, it's better gold. She's talking about how Bitcoin is truly scarce, like only 21 million ever gonna exist. Try finding that kind of hard cap with gold, which they can always dig up more of. Plus, Bitcoin is digital, easy to send around the globe, and you can divide it into tiny pieces. Gold, not so much. It's about security, transparency, and a system that ain't controlled by any single bank or government. It's a bold claim, but when you look at the numbers and the tech, it makes a lot of sense why more and more big investors are seeing Bitcoin as the real deal for the future. This is not financial advice. Now, switching gears to something completely different, but just as wild, we're talking MrBeast, the YouTube sensation, and a massive $200 million bet on his empire. That's right, folks like Tom Lee and Bitmines are pouring serious cash into the creator economy. What's the creator economy, you ask? Simple. It's all about individuals, YouTubers, artists, streamers, influencers, making a living directly from their audience. No big studios, no middlemen. Think of it like a new kind of business where your fans are your customers and you're the boss. This $200 million investment, split between Tom Lee's firm and Bitmines, is a huge sign that crypto and the creator space are about to get real cozy. Imagine NFTs, those unique digital assets, being used for exclusive fan clubs, or crypto payments making it super easy for fans worldwide to support their favorite creators without crazy bank fees. The idea is to give creators more power, more ownership, and more ways to connect and monetize directly with their audience, cutting out the traditional gatekeepers. Of course, with big money comes big questions. How do you integrate traditional finance with the wild west of crypto and the fast-moving creator world? There's complexities for sure, like navigating regulations and making sure the tech is user-friendly for everyone. But the potential, it's massive. They're betting on a future where creators are at the center, powered by blockchain technology. This is not financial advice. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.